This shit is crazy. Like, it was clear like 5 minutes ago. Crazy as hell. I don't know what to expect. Hey y'all, hey, we're gonna do some cooking today. We're gonna do the $5 Wednesday. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my fettuccine. This maybe cost me like $2 to $2. Maybe like $1 some change. You know, fettuccine ain't that expensive. Alright, I'm gonna start with the beef. $3.99, I think. $3.99, I think. And the other stuff I already had at the house. So this is a $5 meal basically because I already had other stuff at the house. So we're gonna use a Prego Garden Chunky Combo. Okay. Y'all, I'm off today. Thank my group leader for giving me PTO for the full day. Thank you. Hopefully I don't get no write-up for being off. Make sure y'all thank him because you know this video. I wouldn't have been able to do a video, honey. Not until later though. Paprika, it's a snow day. It's snowing. I can't see. It's a white out outside. Y'all seen it before. What y'all think? Black pepper. Every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes or so, it's a white out and you can't see. And I'm just like, oh hell no, I'm not going to work. Salt, you know this iodine salt. That's my little salt, okay. Red hot sauce. Y'all know spaghetti be lit, okay? Parsley flakes, yes, parsley flakes. I usually put, what is it? I usually put ranch on top of my spaghetti because it's bomb. If you ever try ranch, it's bomb. But I don't have a lot. But I might put whatever I have on top of my spaghetti because it's my way. Spaghetti my way. $5 meal. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to cook this beef. I know y'all got neighbors who stand outside, right? Like crackheads and smoke. Like crackheads. I'm glad I don't smoke. Because that's a habit. You gotta go outside to smoke. You can't smoke inside. Ain't no way. Ain't no motherfucking way that you can smoke inside the house. Ain't no way that you can smoke inside the house. You gotta go outside. One of my neighbors, she always be outside smoking. I'm like, damn, girl. Goodbye. So y'all, I met this really cute guy in my apartment complex. Really cute. He's black, tall, got a pit bull. And we walk this dog every day. I'm like, does he work from home? I don't know if she's gonna invite him for dinner over later, you know. Let me look good. Invite him over for dinner, you know. So yeah, it's been like 2 years since I've been working on myself. So it's been like 2 years since I've actually hung out with anybody like that. So it's okay to have a little fun. Mingle because you're single, huh? Mingle because you're single. Yeah, the weather outside is not the greatest. And I really want a Chinese. Got the water bowling over yonder. The girl really want a Chinese, but the Chinese place is right down the street, but I had to do my $5 dinner video, so you gotta pick and choose. Okay guys, make sure your beef is well done. I got news over here cooking. We don't know, no red spots in our beef, okay? None at all. Period. So, let's get this together. And then spaghetti, y'all know spaghetti don't take that long. Y'all already know. So, maybe I was thinking about getting a dog. So, me and that guy could walk our dogs together, you know. I could walk my little dog with him before work and shit. You know. No, let me get my mind out together, honey. What about good to have a little friend? You know what I'm saying? To have a friend, honey. So, this is what it would be like if YouTube paid me and I had 1,000 subscribers and I didn't have to work full time. I could cook for y'all all the time. I could do cooking videos all the time. I could go out to the grocery store, show y'all how to low budget, do low budget meals, honey. Low budget meals. Low budget. Okay, we don't want to spend too much money this year in 2020. We're not trying to do that because I really had more than this to try and really. Alright, make sure this noodles is good. Ooh, that's how it comes down, honey. I've never seen anything like this. Like, you know, 1 minute is every 15 minutes is good. Like 1 minute is like nice and clear. The next, you can't see nothing. You can't see shit. Oh my god. Make sure you use different. Y'all know how to cook. Make sure you use different utensils for what y'all cook with. Don't use the beef utensils for the noodles. That's not clean and sanitary. Alright, not at all. We don't do that over here in any kitchen. I used to work at a restaurant, so I know how to cook. I just work too much to cook. We about to drain this meat. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so make sure your meat is drained and you wipe the pan down of all excess beef, of all excess grease from the beef. Grease from the beef. There we go. That's what I meant to say. So it's going back on here. My meat is drained. Y'all see it's steaming. It's drained. So put that back on pan. I don't even turn high because it's already cooked. We're gonna use some paprika. Y'all know me. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know that I love paprika. If I use paprika in anything, any situation, in anything. Y'all, I went on Shoe Dazzle and I gotta show y'all these boots. I bought these boots. They are fire, honey. Fire. I can't wear them. I bought some other boots too, but they ain't come yet. But I can't wear them to work because they're not going out boots, you know. Going out. Party boots. Party boots, honey. Party boots. Got to have some heels, you know. Got to have some heels in your life. So, yeah, my stove is clean, so if something pop on the stove and you know you cleaned it, so just put that shit right back in there. Probably got it in the pan. It's not gonna hurt nobody. You can clean your stove thoroughly. We're just gonna put a little bit of salt on that. We're just gonna put a little bit of salt, not too much. We ain't getting younger, honey. So then I'm gonna add some pepper, some black pepper to my meal. I love me some black pepper, child. Black pepper is tea. Black pepper is tea, honey. I'm gonna give me some more, actually. To be honest, I use it so much. Ain't no telling. I use it a lot. And then we're gonna add the Prego Garden Chunky Combo. Okay, that's what I got. But we're just about to put it all in here. I'm not going to use all of it because I want to make goulash later on this week. And I'm not recording that for y'all. So, I might just buy another can and just use it. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to need another can. You see how it calmed the hell down? It did. It calmed down. It calmed down. It calmed itself down. So, about to, y'all see that? That's beautiful. Y'all see that? Beautiful, man. Just beautiful. We had to check on these noodles now, you know. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, if you want to add a little bit water to this, which I think I might just add a little bit of water. Because I don't like my stuff real thick like that. I'm trying to add more vegetables to my protein, so we're going to have more vegan dishes coming up. More vegan dishes. Y'all get ready. My cousin Christopher, he's vegan. And that's all he eats. It's vegan dishes. That's all he eats. So, he's vegan. He don't eat no meat. He don't add no meat to his diet. That's all he eats is vegan dishes. Alright, we're going to let that simmer. We're going to let this sit. I'm about to buy me a bigger pan. Because next we're going to make some tacos fried rolls. Next Tuesday. I've been hearing a lot about that. Taco fried rolls. We're going to make something. We are going to make some tacos, some taco fried rolls, honey. Oh, I like this garlic salad mix. That's real cute. I don't even have to add no extra onion. Now, y'all know how I love me some onions now. Let me add some more pepper. Oh, let me give me some more pepper, honey. Let me check on these noodles over here. And I'm going to come back to y'all in a little bit. Okay, this is how your noodles is supposed to look. Like that. Nice and soft. Like that. And right off the fork. Just like that. Just like that. Hey, just like that. So I'm letting it soft. Y'all see that? Y'all see how good it looks? Thank you, Leader and Supervisor, for giving me 8 hours today instead of 4. Thank you. I able to cook for my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, yes, honey, I'm gonna show y'all the finished look. Man, you see that? Beautiful, beautiful on this snowy day. Beautiful. All right, you guys. So here's the spaghetti. Look at that. Alright, so what we're going to do is add some hot sauce. My red hot sauce. I love hot sauce in spaghetti. That's the only thing I love. Some parsley flakes. Y'all see that? All over the place, child. All over the place. And some cheese. Some Kobe Jack. Y'all know I love my Kobe Jack. I don't know if y'all like Kobe Jack and spaghetti. But hey, we about to use some today. Child.